Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. So this when we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, telling our audience member and Patreon members and viewers and subscribers that the PNP is a criminal organization. If you remember this guy, that's the guy at the top. His name, when I tell you him correct name right now, them call him Papa, murderer, from up by Augustown. And when he was killed by the police in a shootout, these both political PNP criminal organization politician, that DK Duncan daughter, the woman in the middle, everywhere she go, crime follower, murder, killings, guns, just like our father. And as we tell you, Jamaican people, if you don't want back on the country, we have to take it back from these people, And if you notice, they are the only ones who publicly defend criminals. Both of them, they condemn, she and that man condemn the police officers for, killing this criminal, this murderer. This man was supposed to kill Venetia Phillips. That's a former PNP councillor from Augustown. They wanted him to kill her, and the police got information and intercepted and sent him to the departure lounge. And she, Duncan Sutherland, she came out and she says that the police them kill a good man, a murderer, you understand? And they condemn him. She and this man, this PNP criminal organization councillor. So fast forward, so that's why we tell you, you have to understand who are the people in Jamaica who are supporting the criminals and enabling them. If you want, but you can see right now, today is July 28th, 2024, and you can see that where the Jamaican people is about to get back their country from the criminals based on what the support that they're getting from the Prime Minister, which is unprecedented. Yes, the Prime Minister is leading from the front. You hear the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness commending the police officers on the work that they did in Negril, and then hear the criminal supporters and organizers from the PNP. It's because it's tourist area. That's why it not nothing to do with that. The police them working on it from 2023. That shows that the police are patient. All about tourists, a criminal them. You understand? And we can see that the police they are working, and they are working with the full support of the Jamaica Labour Party government. You know who's absent from the conversation? The PNP criminal organization. They are the one that's upset. They are the one that's out there that fueling the crime. They are the ones who are sabotaging the electricity rehabilitation in Jamaica. They are the ones who are behind the crime. They are the ones who support these criminals. And they are the ones who make excuse for them. And they are the ones who support them publicly. Just like 2 weeks ago, it was their gunmen that pulled AK-47s and residents in southern Clarendon who were clearing the road along with their councillor. Told them not to do it because the government is there for it. So we're going to show you, that's why we tell you, you see this channel, We don't care who want to say we are liberty now. We not stop chatting. Me not even talk about that. Me not stop talk. On the 2 hours left. Yes. So this guy now was a murderer, you know. Yeah, this guy is a murderer. And before we go any further, we can tell people this. Hey, look here. We don't buy information, you know. Period. So all of you criminal, all of you so-called, we call them I don't call them informer. Because informers do things out of patriotism. They don't do it for money. You understand? And I used to as a detective and I know this. Anytime you have an informant, you have informant who are paid informant. I always say paid, every information them give is solid. Every time them send you where gunmen hiding and stuff like that and guns, everything when them tell you, that's hands on. So they are like, they are part of the system. So them get them money, them get them on the payroll and it come from CIB headquarters. We are telling you, yeah, because we are all detective. And plus when them receive, when them, you recover a certain amount of gun, plus them get other incentives. So them like, although them are not police, but them are like police, but them are undercover. Them people are different. So them not do it, the motive for them is not money, but it's just them get reward, you understand? Them do it because them are patriots. Those of you who are on, the various social media platform and all of these things. Hey, look here. You say time we not sell things, we not buy information. Jamaica young, so you go elsewhere with it. So this guy now that was killed by the police here, Papa, yeah, and you're going to see, and hey, look here, and we thank, yeah, we have to give credit, because we have to give credit where it do, because the same video that we see on Politics Watch, they wanted to sell us, and we said we not buy no video from no guy. Yeah, we not, yeah, you understand, we not buy video, we not buy information, we not buy nothing. The only thing we buy, I will go to a supermarket and buy, I will buy online. You understand? Yeah, we not buy information. Because anytime people are sell your information, they might do it for profit. So you understand? So you're going to see now this guy, this murderer, gets pretty much a state funeral. Who authorized it? So I want to give Politics Watch, Politics Watch, big respect. That's what we tell you. Politics Watch on the spot and Popeye News Link. Yes, these are channels that we watch, and if there's something, we take it from them and share it with you and give them credit. One thing with them plaster them thing with them logo like it's theirs and all of this. Yeah, especially Politics Watch. Where I tell you that, yeah, him not do that, because he not compete with no one and him don't know so where him do teamwork stand out and them thing. But the others, yeah, the others now, them have them logo 5 part on the chat, you understand? So only them alone can use it. So we don't see information you're supposed to you're not supposed to have arms of information that is yours. Because knowledge of power. So when you able to allow for the people them if you can see things from different lens, it's helpful for them. Unless you are not in this thing to educate people and to empower them. You are just in it to hustle and to make money. So that's why we have to give Politics Watch credit for this video. So we want to see, so alright, before we go into it, you see where I'm from, in Jones, Barn, in Jonestown, Barn raised Jonestown, Concrete Jungle. You see this man on the top left, you look on it, yeah, name General Starkey, Anthony Tingle. Then you have Kappa, Natty Maga and Jim Brown. In my community, where I'm from, you see 2 men them up at top, Kappa and General Starkey. Them people, them both men, them idolize them, put them on a pedestal like them as some hero, and every youth, as well, you're going to hear this man and say everything that I have been saying, this man has said to. So in the community, although the General Starkey is dead, yes, when them talk about General Starkey, them not talk like say him a criminal, like him commit crime and abridge people human rights, them talk like he was doing rightful and just things in killing others, although them violate people's human rights. So when the youths them grow up now and hear that, every youth want to be a General Starkey. That's why only 2 of us from my age group is alive, from Jonestown and Concrete Jungle. 2 out of 100 other way. You think I look why I'm still here? So when me attack and you tell me say me a labor right and them thing, me no busy what you want to say. I don't care what you want to say because me sure know say the age group of my people, age group them of the youth them, the men them from Tivoli Garden and my age, most of them alive. Only 2 hours left from Concrete Jungle and Jonestown. So what you try to tell me say? What? I lucky me lucky. It's not luck. Or the culture where these people imparted to us as youths and those whose mind are weak and want to gravitate to this lifestyle. As me now, I never want to be like General Starkey. I want to be like the man or the men who killed General Starkey. Yes. And my idol was Tom Levine. Me never want to be no General Starkey. I want to be Tom Levine, the man who kill him. I just say it, God. That I'm my man me look up to. Me don't look up to no gun guy. No guy where my boy, my gunman. You mad? So I want you to listen to this now where. And then we'll delve in the matter. Because you know, over here it's not an entertainment channel. We give you facts and go in-depth. Entertainment and not something to empower people. You understand? So while Prime Minister Holness, the PNP criminal organization cops you know, police, you know, them give this PNP murderer proper, you know, a state funeral procession, you know. With siren, them police must be fired immediately. See the woman at the bottom there? Yeah man, Duncan, DK Duncan daughter, the epitome of evil. You understand? Fear father no do nothing good for no youth. Fear father one man named Trevor Monroe. We have to do something about Trevor Monroe. Because one of the I talk about Trevor Monroe is Satan. We are telling that Trevor Monroe is Satan incarnate. And we are doing a video about him today. We don't know one. We are telling about him. So you watch, you listen, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Commissioner of Police. We soon make stride and look here. And we are telling this, and we are telling straight up, say Jamaican people outside in a diaspora and in a Jamaica them start have hope, say boy them see they won't forget about them country. So look here and turn back in and give it back to them, the criminal organization people them. We no busy, we don't want to say. We rather the people them we are defend law and order. We don't want the people them we are supporting the criminal. You understand? Worse, now that I'm on a foreigner, I'm on to get black people, pay them $100 US licky, socialistic, greedy, beggy. Wanga got PNP criminal organization supporter in America for demonstrate against Jamaica. We don't want them to rule our country ever again. Yeah, until we change the culture. So you watch, you listen, you could have blood. We not support criminality. We not be that. Oh, you understand? We never hear no labor right come out yet and say boy them want questions or police kill criminal. As she come out and ask the PNP, 2 PNP criminal organization. It's a criminal organization and this is how them are promoting. I don't want to go back there, sir. I don't want to eat that man. Me arrive with the people them and say law and order.
When the case that Papa thing no normal. Papa thing no normal. Even in death, the Dan still get looked at as a general because the Dan thing no normal. You see a police escort. You know much man they do on so. Remember me I give you the culture and mindset now, you know, this is how youths look on it, this is how residents look on it. You know much people they do on so. Man, woman, baby, cat and dog they do on so. And when you see them type of burial there, and they done, and how much police car back, police car front, police car side. No man, the man I think bigger than Nelson Mandela. Real general. It's impressive to the bystander. And when something is impressive, what you want to do? Willie Agat funeral, Boneman funeral, Bolby funeral. These are the most extraordinary funerals in Jamaica. Remember say Willie Agat funeral, all politicians pass through. Only if you tell youths don't bust gun. The female artist say bad man alone must drop panty. And all the time the bad man dead. I him get the most VIP in funeral. When you think youths now sitting on notice? You think youths now sitting on notice? Say, hold on, one time Carlton dead. We never see them caliber people that pass through. But when we are got dead, hold on, who that? No Mar Davis that, no Peter Phillips that. Hold on there. When Jim Brown dead, hold on, what is that? I can't be. No man, top man a pass through. No man, that must mean say damn thing Lord. Damn thing Lord, dog. You know see what pass through a man thing, dog. Come like the youths them can't wait for dead to get for them own funeral. Scholar guy, you tuning in?
So you hear the man say it, you know, you understand what I'm saying? So wish youth. So see, we telling a long time, you know. I only think they say, yeah, labor right. So right, the man I labor right too. I tell you, this are the culture where them impart to us as youths in a PNP criminal organization community. As you hear the man say, them can't wait for dead. And I lie. I saw it go because I saw them talk about General Starkey like him, as we said, if you listen to our video, them talk about him like General Starkey went after war and fight the enemy and he was victorious and him returned as a hero. I'm on to murder people. I'm on to violate other people's rights. So that's why we tell us the man who we look up to now are the man where they kill him. Yeah, Tom Levine. Him now we want to be like him. The man who protect the community from parasite and leeches. We don't give them guys no credence. Oh, them guys they are not a general for we. Them guys they never serving in the military. We don't care how them can shoot. Them a criminal. You understand? And that way I tell you. You know see it. So when them talk about say, I tell you about this and that and all kind of thing. No, we don't know it. You understand? We no support that. So I want to tell you say, you can't educate foolish people. The PNP LGBTQ plus supporters and activists are brainwashing dummies. No one as the PNP criminal organization acumen as yours truly, who was born and raised in Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12. The only thing that the PNP criminal organization excel at is creating criminals and destroying lives. Out of my age group from Jonestown, Kingston 12 and Concrete Jungle, only 2 of us are still alive. Every one of them is dead, mostly from gunshot and buried at Duffcut, Maypen Cemetery, Meadowrest or some foreign cemetery. So tell me, isn't something fundamentally wrong with the PNP criminal organization philosophy? If any PNP criminal organization supporters or activists wants to challenge me, Christopher Porter, please contact 954-556-0275 and tell me something different. Because when time these people put murderers on a pedestal, you understand? Oh, on God's earth. You understand? Oh, on God's earth, you're going to have that law-abiding citizen. When you have this man who was a murderer, I give him a state funeral by the government. What do you mean? A government resources them use for drive this boy, turn on siren, and me say it, you hear it, for yourself, So I may make up nothing, you hear it, and now them all say, oh, yeah man, Sir P, we know so long time in my labor right. All of a sudden in my labor right now, because he talk the truth. I saw no stay. You understand? So we never did know say my labor right long time. All of a sudden now in my labor right. So speaking the truth make a man a labor right. So because him now promote and I say, oh, Papa Hero and Papa Dan and the PNP, yeah man, the PNP are the best thing since sliced bread because they promote criminality and we for it. If you promote criminality, you know mean the people not good. And that's why we tell us say that's why them can't like we, because we are telling what we see. You understand? You think a luck why we still there? And a luck, a parenting and good and the same community. You understand? So the consequences of glorifying criminals in Jamaica. So the recent event surrounding the death of Marvin Markland, that are the boy was below the commissioner of police with them spliff. See woman below him. That are the woman enough. She that DK Duncan daughter that Patricia Duncan Sutherland Satan that, you know. She goes down in South Clarendon and them name her out, bring gun, come give all the people them. People them tell me, I want to tell you in all them places they say, oh, we know a Satan she like her pa. So them will do anything for destroy people life, but say, alright. So now I want to say, alright. We don't say a lie you're telling you, because we don't say you're labor right. Alright, so look here, we are making play it, you know. So PNP criminal organization, politician, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, so she want answer following the killing of the Augustone murderer, the Dan up there so when name Papa. We are making you hear her, because one of the things say a lie we are tell. We are going to make you hear her. Yeah, we are make you, the loyal viewers and subscribers, hear this PNP criminal organization supporter. You understand? Satan.
We've been asking questions of the police to understand what is happening, why is this happening, and we have got no answers. The community was just getting back together. The community is traumatized because they are working hard on building back the peace. Just Easter they had their sports days and they were just saying how it feels good again to be in Augusttown. We are concerned because when building the peace, we know the police have to do their work. But the citizens are concerned and we just need to understand what it is that the police have done here today.
We are lost. We want to know because for the last 2 years we have a relative peace, and therefore if there is an issue or if there is something brewing, and people, I'm one for crime prevention, so therefore information must be shared, and we are saying to the police that this is very disturbing. I'm not sure because the police have not said who have got shot or who they rushed to the hospital, and therefore this is really a sad day in Augusttown.
So any Jamaican who have sense and can think critical and independent, just show me one, just send a clip to me of one Jamaica Labour Party politician, a defend murderer, and a question the integrity of the police force when the police them kill any criminal. Just show me one. If you can't show me one, me change this channel to the Jamaican PNP criminal organization channel. I change it from the Jamaica Young Police channel and change it to the PNP criminal organization channel. Because they don't do it. These are the people who are the destructive force in Jamaica. You have to take back Jamaica from them. It don't really matter how you like the PNP. It's a criminal organization. If you don't want back on the country, look it up. You see it? Up to now, look on the shooting now in Westmoreland. You hear any of the PNP them come out and support the police force. I'm glad to the police them happy that the police, not one of the police them injured. Did you notice the police officer Fleercroft that was killed in St. Ann? You hear Mark Golan offering condolences to his family? You hear any PNP come out and offer condolences to the policeman family? You don't have sense? You know so the people them are criminal them care about. You hear them come out and support the police in the work of them do a nigger, like how you hear the Prime Minister come out and commend them as the person who's in charge of the country. You're the opposition leader or the PNP criminal organization say them support the police force in ridding Jamaica of criminality. No, because that's them core base. That's the core base. That's what them sell. That's what them do. Idolize criminal. That's why this boy gets state funeral in Augusttown. You're Sir Peace. The youth them can't wait for dead. You think I know that I go on? From me little, I'm telling a long time. So it embedded in the youth them. You see like how them talk about General Starkey in Jonestown. I saw them go talk about Papa. Your man say Papa funeral no normal, And your man say boy, Papa must go in peace. Go in a wish peace that. Satan down there I give Papa some joke with them fork. You understand? You think them now not ever for them. Yeah, no, I know that. Them same man I tell you say Papa gonna heaven. Hey, Jamaican no have no heaven. A hell Jamaican have. You understand? So we are telling you who are no enemy. You think a joke we make? No guy up on YouTube have the acumen like me. None. Because I'm born and grown in a belly of a beast. I hit more for change the culture. Why you want somebody to fear that you because you have an illegal gun? That's why me become a police. Because you have illegal gun, you kill people. Me want to hold you with it. And that me say. You understand? I mean, I tell, and look now. I would not to know if I believe it. And this is how I send to all the little young police them were out there. I mean, I teach you know something now. Anytime you know a guy with gun, you don't have to take it off him. You see, from you feel it, you just say gun. Don't take it off him. You just say gun, and start with him. That's a justifiable shooting. Me, I tell you that, police. And that you know for do. Anytime, you know, matter if I could have million people there, I teach you know, about justification in using a firearm. Anytime you search a guy and you feel the gun, you just push him off and say gun, and you start name him. Don't hold no guy with no gun and carry them in. We are telling you that. Anytime, I preempt to strike that. Anytime you search him and you find the gun, for you feel it, you just ease him off. We I tell you, just ease him off, push him off, and just say gun, and you start name him. Straight to the departure line. Them can't say nothing, you know, because you same time him drop down at them time you go take the gun off him, because remember, you know, your life you protect. Me now go add the other things that we have for adding after that. If you want me to help you, you have some good detective down there, all detective. And we tell you them, you look and find them. Yeah man. The one when we help you know, hey, you see all the man named ZPI in up at FLA. Boy, I not even know me and the man a cousin till me leave. I one of my cousin. But join after me, you know, get a detective corporal. I tell you because you understand what I'm saying. Heal up my cousin and them thing there. You understand? One of my cousin, me not call him name. Well, I don't think them know him as that Jamaican, you understand? Bless up yourself, cuz. You know see it. Cause him know every one of the family them, you know. Boy, hey, me not so lucky, you know. Him know every one of my mother's side of family. Cause him and Jeremy, you Jeremy and my grandfather, Jeremy mother for call my grandfather uncle. So Jeremy for call my grandfather granduncle. Him know everybody, you know, him in a police and them thing there. Yeah man, me and him, I'm going cousin, you know, me and him did that Unsby and them thing there. And them I say, him not like Porter and them thing there. Him say, me and me and them thing there. So big up yourself because yeah, so we are telling you, so police, look here. We are telling you, oh, no can't get rid of them boy. I walk with gun. As we tell you, from the police and them thing, man, just listen what we say. You just push them off and say, gun. The people, them can't say a lie when I'm telling you. Because that you say, and not that. You understand? Period. So if you don't want help for writing a statement and them thing, because I see people, them I got to tell lie, you know. But you understand? You have some man down there, yeah. Well, one of them that foreign, Reggie Grant, him good. Although him a thief. Well, I tell you what I mean. Oh, then I say you go. Reggie Grant. Calvin Benjamin. Him down that one them thing there. Yeah. We believe in a redemption. Him not, Reggie Grant, Benji about 75 now. So, him a going well. You have one next man now named John Gaz. Ivan O. Thompson at 80. Tom Levine in a 87. Boy, we try to reach him, that our idol and them thing there. So these are the people who can help on for write good statement. Zippy Hines, former deputy commissioner of police, good man. I not even know the man I'm a cousin until my cousin met me, you know, and them thing. Like up a country him come from, up a one place named Lewisburg. You have a place on name John Snell. John Snell go from run one place named Lux, he go all the way back a St. Mary. That are my grandfather land that whole heap of land go right back. So my cousin, but yeah, look here, you know, I just saw it go. So we continue the journey. So you're supposed to see who create the criminality in a Jamaica. You understand? We just sorry say all a man like Glenmore Hines never become commissioner of police. Cause a good man. Can't say Zippy Hines a thief. Can't say mix up. You understand? Smart, good police. You understand? And we have enough respect for Zippy Hines. We are telling that. Yeah, cause you know when him come, you know see it. Cause one time we get transferred from Clarendon, little before him, you understand? Him couldn't do nothing about it. It was a brother named James Sabbs and Dooley, the whole of them, all PNP criminal organization, people them with their federation, conspire and transfer me, tell lie upon me. You understand? Oh, you think James Sabbs are not good somebody? A dog that. I tell you that. But I can't. But every time a man see me, I call me, tell me trouble. Oh, me fair work, me a police and me a work, I can't. I not do it. Like you think say something nice. Tommy trouble was no good thing in our children ones. Yeah, so the recent incident surrounding the death of Marvin Markland, also known as Papa in Augustown, St. Andrew, highlight the troubling issue of Jamaica's handling of notorious individuals. Papa, a man with a fearsome reputation and a history of violent crime, murders, shooting, extortion, robbery, rape, was given a police escort and sirens at his funeral, treating him as a hero despite his criminal background. Who authorized this, Mr. Prime Minister? Who authorized this, Mr. Commissioner of Police? Who authorized this, Mr. Minister? Who authorized this, ACP Marlon Nesbitt? Me have no respect for you and them thing. Me no care where them want to say you come from Labour Right family. Everybody can come from PNP family. I saw it go. We no care. But we have no respect for you. We never hear say you're a thief yet. So we have no respect for you and them thing. We are taught the thing. If you're not a thief, we say Marlon Nesbitt a thief. Yeah, we can't say that. Marlon Nesbitt a good police and a tough talking police and them thing. You understand? And from before we even joined police force, we hear about Marlon Nesbitt. We are telling that. How Palins did him come from and them thing. Him the bad like Meverell Smith. You understand? But him do fame thing and him something. Dangerous police. And every police we out there with fire gun. We go out there and and send people to your departure on bad police. You have some police. Hey, look here. You have some dangerous police, you know. When not even know them, you know. I tell you, you know. You say all the brother when you are Reggie Grant and them man there. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know. Them man there, you know. Good police. Still, you know, apart from him being a thief and them thing there. A good police still. I tell you. There, Reggie Grant. Yeah, I mean. I tell you. But it's just that this is sometime on them thing there. You can't do good and then you do bad on them thing there. Better you just do, you know, you understand. But you have a next man. But enough people don't know about it, you know. I tell you, you know. One man named John Gaz, you know. I want to best, you know, in my Ivan. When they come on to police, you know, Reggie Grant and Bench, you know, them can't come. Well, the whole of them in the same, but him superior to them because guess what? Him not a thief. That's a good part about it and them thing there. Yeah, them man they are not thief. Hey, when you talk about them the man they come and cool St. Andrew South. You understand? Cool. Hey, me say all man we a bad man. When me da Hunsby, me get mad because of this man here. I tell you, bad man get mad. When me say mad, you have all a little youth to come from Cockburn Pen when you man ballad. And them man, him used to do one too, but all them man, they call a little youth, they get mad. Because them in a bad man, mad. You can't stay there. Hey, when have some police and them thing, or people not hear about, them dangerous more than name brand police, them ask man them. You understand? But you don't know them man in a different category and them thing there. As top investigator and fight and law enforcement fighter. You understand? And you can't stay there. Hey, nobody play with them man there. Because them man there, one shot, one kill. John Gasby, I tell you that. Ask any man. Danger, them man in a talk, you know. Them man in a talk, you know, but them man there, I just saw it go. I tell you. You understand? So we'll continue, moving on. Yeah, so we want to know who get this boy, who get this dirty corrosion, state funeral. I mean, I tell you, say it hurt me. Because look upon all the police were dead, where them killed. Up to now, we don't see the police force acknowledge say most police and them thing there. That's a Damien, name Thomas, the police. Well, you know, although my corrals the police, but I'm still a police guy, never did lose the work. In the department interdiction, we don't see. So we want to say if him now get a state funeral, he was a police. You can't deny that time, can him serve. How many you have police who are worse than him in our police, were serving our police force, worse than him. If this man was a criminal, he would have did with an illegal gun upon him. So, man, as much as you know, hey, look here, I tell you, say, actually, not even one of them things. It's just hurtful. So, this glorification of criminals sends a dangerous message to the youth and undermines effort to build a safer and more positive community. And this is what them impart in our head as youth in a Jonestown. This is a life you're supposed to live. You're supposed to be a General Starkey, a George Spang, a Willie Agat, and all of them, man. Where, you understand? Uncle George Pang alone alive. Because guess what? George Pang have police friend can buy them. So anytime any little thing I go on, them see man come and defend him. I tell you. Yes. So anytime any operation, man, you understand what I'm saying? I just saw it go. So the incidents and his implication, Marvin Markland, a reputed Don of Augustown, was killed during a confrontation with the police. The police recovered an illegal gun at the scene and Indicom has launched an investigation into the shooting. So despite his criminal activities, which include being armed with illegal guns, named as a person of interest in violent crimes, in murders, shooting, robbery, rape, extortion, and this man is a rapist too, you know. And you see, what's her name? Sutherland, Duncan Sutherland. She are out there and a different, the rapist. She, you know, Yeah, DK Dunk, and you say all the man, him not a daughter. If him have daughter, he matter a question the police. Shut your mouth. We never see labor them come out and say, oh, them want to know why police kill no man. Cause them in it. We are tell you. We don't say labor right now have gone. Look here, as we tell you already, they were forced. You hear Sir P at Politics Watch say the labor right them in a Spanish town were forced to create a buffer zone because the man them would have take over for them community too. So if you stay, you can't get license gun where you there. A man with the legal gun want to come up and come take over your place and come control all your house. You have to find a way to defend yourself. That's how it go. You understand? And them are terrorists in Jamaica. So if we don't get rid of them and the culture, Jamaica now going to change. 98% of the people in the prison come from PNP criminal organization community. I want to see nothing wrong with them. Those who do not see anything wrong with the PNP criminal organization, you are a criminal-minded person. We are tell you that when I ask you. And those of you that talk about if you leave politics alone, you are dummy and idiots. Politics have everything to do with your life. Every facets of your life in Jamaica. All you have sex. See Mark Baby Trump Golden. Who you think the rear admiral them in America are all about line up with George Soros and them people? You know see all Buju Banton, big rear admiral. You know your Sean Storm that have Vibes Cartel man say Buju Banton a crackhead and a rear admiral. I don't lie. Cause once you line up with Chief Curry, so you know we live in a world where whether or not you want to believe it, data run things, you understand? We say data, if you not in tune with what is happening, you're going to be in problem. So we want to let our Patreon members know that we are incredibly grateful for, their support. So, our Jamaica Young Police Channel squad member from the following countries: England, the United States of America, Jamaica, Canada, Cayman Island, Trinidad and Tobago, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South Africa, Italy, Russia, Mexico, and Barbados. Yeah, man. So your ongoing support is invaluable. I want to big up a man named Goldburn. Yeah, man. Just subscribe from America. Yeah, you understand. All police. Yeah, with respect to man Jerry Goldburn. Yeah, you understand, man. So we can't call him name, man. If you don't tell us, so we can't call the name, we're not gonna call the name. So those of you who want, the world to know that you are a member of the Jamaica Young Police Channel Patreon squad, you want to give her the permission and say, hey, just call my name on the country where you do it. So that's why we're doing it right now. So your feedback and data analytic reign supreme. In today's data-driven world, we deeply value your insight, as they are the compass that guide us in tailoring our content to better suit your needs and preferences. Your role in this process is invaluable, and we thank you for it. So we have heard from many of you, our dedicated viewers, Patreon members and subscribers, regarding the length of our videos. We recognize that too lengthy content can be daunting and may not fit your busy schedule. We are sure that we are committed to keeping your non-live video under 40 minutes. This adjustment makes our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring you can easily consume and appreciate what we create. We are incredibly grateful to our Patreon members in Sweden, England, South Africa, Japan. Yes, we have people from Japan now. Wow, appreciate what Japan in the mix too. Well, I tell you. Cayman Island, France, the United States, Trinidad and Tobago, Canada, Barbados. Your ongoing support is invaluable and help us to continue producing high quality content. We are committed to offering significant value and exclusivity to our most dedicated supporters, and we look forward to welcoming more of you to our Patreon community. Each of our videos will now be clear. Once it's over 30 minutes with a clear call to action, inviting viewers to join our Patreon community. This highlights the benefits of membership and encouraging more of you to take advantage of our extended content and special perks. So this video, you know, is a 2-part series. So if you want to see the other part, or you can wait, or you just join Patreon and get to see it, or you just join the channel. And people who join the channel, they don't have to wait, you just get to see it. You understand? And it's, you know, we don't do things over here because we are trying to get rich or make money. We do it because we love the people. I will say it before and I will say it again. We don't have to do this, you know, understand what I'm saying? We're just doing this with the love of Jamaica. We want it back. And look, if we were doing this to make money, we know how to skew over things, because we wouldn't be telling people the truth. We just, because Jamaican people love lies. We don't just lie to you, lie to the people, the audience, tell them all the nice things when they want to hear, and don't tell them the truth. But we are not like that. So that's why we, at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, that's why we get so many dead threats, especially from people from the PNP criminal organizations, communities, and those who support them. But look, we can't tell you this. We don't fear no guy. And we God alone we fear. You understand? The same thing that any guy think that him can do. But you have to hide and do it. We don't hide and do things. You understand? And you don't get the chance to hide and do anything. We can't tell you that. You understand? But make sure when you come good on them things, because yeah, we can do all kind of things. We can use with on in all kind of ways and make and do things. You understand? So each of our videos, as we say, you know, it will a call to action to make you know, say, yeah, if you want to see the rest of the video, you have to check out the Patreon. So we take pride in being responsive to your feedback and proactive in implementing solutions to cater to your preferences. So this engagement is critical to building a supportive community around our channel. Your input drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our content. Together, we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. So thanks for being an integral part of our journey. Your support, whether through viewing our content, sharing our content, being a Patreon member, or providing feedback, is invaluable to us. Together, we will continue to grow and evolve, and we look forward to doing so with you by our side. We're not creating any cults. We're not a cult thing, because, you know, you understand. We want people to think. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Part 2 will be coming up next. Out.